Hello guys, welcome back. This is Sai Pawan. I have started learning website integration, that is combining of different pages. I will show you it in the output. If I click on get started, I will go into favorite places section. If I click on Taj Mahal, I will go into the detailed view of Taj Mahal. And if I click on back, I will go back into the favorite places section. Again if I click on back, I will go into the home page of tourism. To get the output like this, I have learned some concept, that is CCBP UI kit and some HTML attributes. CCBP UI kit is a collection of reusable code snippets similar to Bootstrap. It is specially designed for CCBP training. The CCBP UI kit script code should be placed just before the HTML end tag, like this. Yeah. And I have used two different HTML attributes, that is ID and onClick attribute. The HTML ID attribute specify a unique ID for an HTML element. The value of the ID attribute must be unique within the HTML document. And the onClick event occurs when the user clicks on an HTML element. Here I have given the attribute value for onClick is section favorite places. It is the ID value of favorite places page. When I click on get started, I will go to the favorite places page, like I will show in the output. See, I go into the favorite places section. The value of an HTML onClick attribute should be enclosed in double quotes, and the value inside the brackets of display should be enclosed in single quotes. Likewise, here I have given back button, and the onClick value for that is section tourism homepage. That means when I click on back, I will go again to the homepage of tourism. Likewise, here I have given the onClick value for Taj Mahal is section Taj Mahal. That is, I have given the ID section Taj Mahal for the Taj Mahal detail view page. I will show it in the output. Get started, and when I click on Taj Mahal, I get the detail view about Taj Mahal. So again I have given the back button, and for the onClick value is section favorite places, so that when I click on back, I will go back to the favorite places section. Again if I click on back, I go back to the tourism homepage. So in this way I have integrated my website by combining different pages. So more to do in the coming days. Please share your reviews and suggestions in the comment section below. My website links will be in the below description. See you in the next video guys. Thank you.